Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you have a pet that leaves a lot of fur or hair behind, you're going to want to hear about all the details on this pet hair remover from Grip Grand Rapids Industrial Products. We have a dog whose fur seems to have some sort of magic magnetic properties that make it remain trapped on every fabric she comes in contact with, whether it's her bedding or our bedding or the couch or our clothing and even the floor. We vacuum all the time, but her hair just gets trapped and we can't vacuum it out. But this tool was able to easily remove her hair from all of those surfaces. Now, from the first look, you can see that the material it's using is reusable. It reminds me of a traditional lint brush, but that's where the similarities end. This tool is unique because you can go in either direction that you want, which makes removing the hair very quick and effective. It's reusable. You don't have to worry about removing adhesive strips. You can just clean it and use it again and again. It's easy to store. It has a little hole that makes it possible for me to hang it. I keep it right in my laundry room, so I'm able to reach for it all the time. And the fact that it self-cleans and traps the hair in a compartment, you just open that little compartment and remove and clean out all of the hair. You don't have to worry about the pet hair getting back onto the surface you're cleaning. So this tool really is a miracle worker. We're reaching for it over and over again. It has solved a huge problem for us, and that is my point of view.